Day. This is the Professor, CBMD PhD, and today's Monday, September 18th, 2023. It is 2:59 and 3 seconds, a.m. Eastern Standard Time, and today's research, diagnosis of blood cancer. So let's hop to it here. New insight to enhance treatment and diagnosis of blood cancer. Scientists seek to exploit vulnerabilities in cancer development pathways to revolutionize treatment strategies for high-risk myeloma. Date September 12, 2023. Source: National University of Singapore. A groundbreaking study has revealed crucial insights into the role of the histone methyltransferase (NSD2) and its epigenetic target PKC-alpha in creating 414 translocated multiple myeloma, a high-risk subtype of blood cancer, to be more aggressive and resistant to treatment. The study aims to overcome the limitations of targeting the T-deregulator gene in 414 myeloma. It sheds light on the metabolic reprogramming of multiple myeloma in response to the oxygen and nutrient-deprived bone marrow microenvironment. And by exploring the epigenome and metabolome of NSD2, they sought alternative vulnerabilities that could revolutionize treatment strategies. The unique connection between NSD2 and cellular metabolism, mediated by histone methylation, offers new horizons in the battle against high-risk multiple myeloma subtypes. The study's impact is multifaceted, potentially influencing the development of novel medicines and non-invasive diagnostic tests. As for patients with 414 myeloma, targeted metabolic interventions could bring promising therapeutic options, whether through dietary modifications or tailored pharmacological approaches. And furthermore, the discovery that lactate levels could serve as predictive biomarkers for drug response highlights in the transformative potential of metabolite signatures in personalized medicine. And this is the Professor of Microbiology, Bioinformatics, Pathophysiology, and Nature of Research. This video was created for educational purposes only. Hope you enjoyed listening. Until next time, have a great day.